and made mischief of one kind. And another his mother called him, and Max said, so he was sent to bed without eating anything. That same night in Max's room, a forest grew. And grew to a ceiling hung with vines, and the walls became the world all around. And it also tumbled by in a private boat for Max, and he sailed off through night and day. And in and out of weeks, and almost over a year, to where the wildings are. And when he came to the place where the wildings are, they roared their terrible roars, and gnashed their terrible teeth, and rolled their terrible eyes, and showed their terrible claws. Till Max said, and tamed them with a magic trick of staring into all their yellow eyes without blinking once, and they were frightened and called him the most wild thing of all, and made him king of all wild things. Max said, he sent the wild things off to bed without their supper. And Max, the king of all wild things, was lonely, wanting to serve of the best of all. Then, all around, far away across the world, he smelled good tasty. So, he gave up being king of where the wild things are. But the wild things cried, and Max said, the wild things roared their terrible roars, and gnashed their terrible teeth, and rolled their terrible eyes, and showed their terrible claws. But Max stepped into his private boat and waved goodbye. And sailed back over a year, and in and out of weeks, and through a day. And into the night of his very own room, where he found his supper waiting for him. place.